Everything on this channel is going to be free, from the templates to the chatbots, to the outreach methods, to the scripts, to the cold calling. Everything's going to be free, so you guys don't have to worry. I want to give you free gems. I want to help you guys out as much as possible, guys. I want to see you guys be successful. I want to see you guys build these agencies. I want to see you guys utilize the SMA GA model as well. I want to see you guys thrive using it, and I'll show you the way for free. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on the Toby SMA GA channel. If you guys are new, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never, and I mean never, miss a video on the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how I signed my first 2 clients using SMA GA in only 10 days. Like I said, guys, if you guys are new, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Boom. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So a key, and I always say to you guys in every single video, every single daily update, every video, the key to getting your first few clients is outreach. If you don't get yourself out there, no one will see you, and if no one sees you, then you're not getting any clients, right? I see a lot of people, and there's lots of different methods, right? I know in terms of lots of different business models. So for example, some people send 10 looms a day, and that's good for them. You know, some people send 100 DMs a day, and that's good for them, you know. But what I believe is amounts, so quality and quantity. That's what's important to me, and that's what I believe SMA GA works well with as well, right? So I believe in quality, building that rapport, creating that warm lead, you know, like just building that rapport a little bit, right? But what I don't believe is sending out only 10 messages to 10 companies, fully personalized, with you showing them exactly how you're going to do this, and then hoping you're going to get 2 to 3 responses out of that 10. That's what I don't believe, right? I know people do it once you get to a certain stage and you have your testimonials and things like that as well. Then that works well, yes. So you're handpicking who you work with. But early on, you should not be worrying about that. You should not be worrying about that. What you should be worrying about early on is your outreach, is your setup of your company, is your website and your outreach. Focus on that. Make your company look amazing. Fix your Instagram pages, fix your Facebook pages, fix your LinkedIn pages. Make sure everything is up to scratch. If you guys want me to make a video on how to set up your pages effectively to get the most responses possible, please let me know down below in the comment section. I want to help you guys out as much as possible. So yeah, guys, that's the keys. Outreach, set up. Because if you don't set up well and you're doing a lot of outreach, naturally they want to find out what you're about before booking any sort of call. They'll go on your page, suss you out a little bit, go on your website, suss you out a little bit. They want to understand what does this guy have to offer? What do they have to offer first? And during that process, they'll then vet you out, go to your website, go to your page, scroll through a few posts to understand what you're actually trying to do and what value you're going to bring them. And then they'll open that conversation to actually, you know, moving forward and potentially having conversations and say, okay, yeah, you know what, I'm interested in learning more, because they've already seen that value on your pages, or they've seen that value on your page, right? And that makes them want to actually work with you and push forward with you as well. But if you have no value on your page, you have a profile picture of nothing, like a grey profile picture, or you have an anime profile picture, or you have, come on, how would you respond to yourself? That's what I always say to everyone. Would you respond to yourself if you were a business owner? You're doing you have a business that's running at 50k a month, you know, which is healthy, 50k a month monthly recurring revenue, right? And you see a message from your account. Would you take that message seriously? Number 1, just by the look of it. Forget the message itself, just by the look. Number 2, once you see that message come up on your DM, are you inclined to click it? Are you inclined to click that? Have you read the first part of that message and it makes you want to open up the DM and speak to this person? Ask yourself these questions, because if by the end of that, you're saying, well, I wouldn't really want to open up my own messages. It tells you what you need to know already. It literally tells you what you need to know. So if that's the case, you wouldn't want to, let's say, respond to yourself. Then why the hell would they want to respond to you? Because they don't know you. They don't have to work with you. They see it as you need them, but then you have to flip it on its head to show them that they need you. So it's a tango, it's a game. You have to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's a power dynamic struggle as well. Often when it comes to services, it is quite, on the business owner or the creator side or the coach's side a lot, because of course, they're paying you, right? But once you build the sales skill and you actually build an understanding on core systems and the value you bring, they will start looking at you like, oh my God, I get all of this for this amount only. They'll be like, what? It's too good to be true. Once you hear people saying it's too good to be true to you, then you're in there and you're in the door, right? And the only thing that can stop you from there is if they don't have money, and then there's nothing you can do about that. If they don't have money for your services, they're not going to pay with air, and even if they don't have money for your services, I don't advise this, but you could do like a trial period just for your own confidence. If you've never run ads before or you've never built systems, you can do like a trial period where you build them a chatbot so you can get like a testimonial, and you can then use that testimonial on your subsequent sales calls, which is amazing. There's a value thing in itself. You building out a chatbot that may be already pre-built, it just depends on what avenue you want to take. You might build it from scratch, but you build a chatbot, you get an experience of building chatbots. But at the same time, you can say, okay, I'll build this AI chatbot for your website for free. But what I want in return is a testimonial video on you saying how you love the chatbot and just map it out for them. So by the end of it, you built them a chatbot that doesn't take you too much time to build because you have an understanding of it. And now you have a testimonial that you can use in a video. Yeah, you can use in a video that can then be reused in like sales calls and things like that as well. So it's like invaluable. It's invaluable. So just know at the end of each sales call, especially in the beginning, like say for me in that instance, I wouldn't really need to, let's say, okay, I'll build it for free to get testimonial. I wouldn't really need to do that, so I wouldn't do that. But if you're beginning and you're starting out, do that. Get those testimonials in. Get those, understanding in. Get that experience in. Because the more you get that experience in, especially for a lower cost from the client side, it allows you to understand how systems would work. Okay, how much would each lead cost? That sort of thing. Get the understanding, get the key understanding of how the systems and the business works in itself, and then you can then expand that to a larger clientele, most likely in the same space as well. So just to wrap up this video, the key to me getting my first 2 clients in the first 10 days of SMA GA is having the right setup in terms of business, and outreach. Outreach is key, and having the right, of course, is set up as well, but your right social media pages or wherever you're reaching out to as well. If you're reaching out to people on email, make sure you have a good email. Make sure you have a business email as well. I don't want to be seeing you guys with @gmail.com. It does work if you're working with coaches, creators, things like that. But when it's businesses, they tend not to take you as serious when you have a Gmail. So they have a business email because they're a business. You're a business as well, and you don't have a business email, they won't take you seriously. With creators and coaches, you may be able to get away with it, but businesses, they'll often just stay clear of you. And then it can get very messy in that standpoint as well. But like I said, guys, focus on setting up. If you want me to make a video on everything I'm discussing with you right now, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll make a video for you guys. But the 3 keys: set up your account properly, outreach the right way, and make sure the platform you're using is the right place to contact your niche or the type of businesses you want to contact. Say for example, you're looking for roofers. Yes, they are on Instagram, but you want to mainly look at Facebook. Same thing with car dealerships and things like that. So you want to make sure you're working alongside your niche and you know where to find them and where they're hanging out, where they're chilling out. Where does that niche chill out? Are they an older audience? Are they a younger audience? Can you use platforms like, let's say, TikTok, Twitter to find them? If not, it's more Facebook and LinkedIn. You know, are they an older crowd? So these are things that you need to think about, you need to focus on, and then now you focus your setup on those accounts and do outreach on those accounts. But it doesn't mean you stop outreach on Instagram and Facebook and things. No. It doesn't mean you stop outreach on other phases or other places. I would say you still have to do the outreach there, like email and Instagram, even if you're focusing on LinkedIn and Facebook, right? But you know where they're chilling out more, you know where they are, so you can hone in on that side more and more as much as possible. But like I said, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys are new, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a video on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.